On July 22, 2024, during evening hours, officers responded to a call from a Total Wine location regarding a reported hit-and-run incident in the parking lot, where store personnel and witnesses indicated that two women had allegedly struck a vehicle and attempted to leave the scene. Officers located the two individuals near a parked car and initiated contact based on that report and the presence of nearby surveillance cameras.
I'll be right back to you. Is that them?
It's good. Yeah, one of the concerned is the one that was making all the
Okay.
Yeah, there they are, right over there.
One six on this call. 2829 Alabama.
Good.
626-5 Bravo Delta 8. Hey ma'am. Hey ma'am. Stop. Hey, you're gonna stop. You're going to jail right now.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Stop. Walk over here. Let's go.
That's not my car, so no. No! That's not my car. Pull up. That's not my car. Stop grabbing me. I literally don't even support. It's not even my car. Stop grabbing me. It's not even my car. It's not even my car. It's not even my car.
Stop right now.
It's legit not even my car.
Stop.
It's legit not even my car.
Okay. So now go watch the camera. If you get out of the car, you're going to jail. Back up.
Okay.
Back up.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey. I'm
Stay there.
Even doing that. You
Oh, I thought it wasn't your car. How are you getting in?
It's not. That's not my car. That's hers. That's not my car.
Okay.
That's our car. That's not mine. Okay, and I'm completely. I'm acting. I'm not giving you no problem.
Yes, you did. You resisted. I told
No,
you
I
to stop and
didn't.
you
No,
walked
I
away.
didn't. No, I didn't hear you. Dump that bitch out. Oh, my mama, dump that bitch out. I'm gonna make sure I'm not giving you no issues. Dump that bitch out. Dump it out, friend. I just came from work. Dump it all out. Oh, my mama. I ain't came for no issues. Dump it all out. Dump it all out, friend. No, get the second pocket. I legit just came from work. Dump it all out. Dump it all out. I just came from work. Dump it all out. I know, I just came from work. I'm trying to let him know. Dump it all out. I don't have no issues. Dump it all out.
I haven't seen the car.
I don't want him to think I even have any issues. Come on, mama. I have no issues. Hold on. Hold on, friend. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Wait, friend.
What are y'all doing?
We just came. If we off the next day, we came to get some.
Y'all go pull on this random car handle so you look like you're not involved with this one and then go walking away. I'm right next to it.
We wasn't trying to. It wasn't no birth.
Okay. Whoever's driving this car is going to jail. Okay. So whoever's driving, when y'all hit this lady and walked away, cuss her up and down. There's cameras right here. Y'all aren't slick. So when I go check those cameras, whoever's driving this car is going to jail. Step out of the car.
Who cars?
Sit on the front of the hood. Hey, I have one detained in the car. Oh, it's not free to leave either. They both tried to walk away and I told them not to. So whoever is driving, I'm gonna go check the cameras, is going to jail for hit and run because they tried to walk away before giving their info to this lady.
Ma'am, you take a seat back here for me.
Joanne, I'm around the corner. Come get me.
What?
I literally haven't even done anything. I haven't given you no issues. I haven't done anything.
Hey, you haven't given me no issues?
Oh, my mama, I haven't. I'll give you everything. I don't have
Put
any
your hands on your
issues.
back. Put your hands on your back.
Okay. So behind my back?
Yep.
Okay. What you want me to do? Just cross them or?
Ridiculous.
I haven't given you any issues.
You did. Y'all go,
How? I want you to honestly explain to me how.
y'all go pulling on a random door handle, look like you're not involved, then walk away, and I tell you to stop.
Oh, my mama, I can control what she do.
And then
I can only control what I do.
You're physically resisting me while I'm trying.
Friend, I can only control
There's
what I do.
camera right there.
Well, look, I can only control what I do, friend. I can't control what she do.
You're under arrest. 10-4.
Good?
Yeah, she's going to jail. I'll be back.
I didn't know. I don't know.
Okay. What's your name, dear?
Janae.
Janae, I need to speak to you real quick. You mind getting off the phone?
Yeah, but they saying like she hit somebody. I didn't know. I was in the park. I was in the passenger seat. I did not know she hit nobody. Whatever. That's what I'm saying. All right, hurry up, man. Hurry up, man. All right.
Hey, Janae, listen. I'm going to read you something real quick. It does not mean that you're going to jail right now. Just ask some questions for you about this whole situation that's going on, okay?
Yeah.
So your right to remain silent. Any statement you use against you in court?
I haven't even done nothing like.
Your video camera right here.
Yeah.
Can I look at it, please?
I haven't even done nothing. I swear to God, I haven't even done nothing.
So that's question now that our lawyer present. You will sit right stop anytime to speak to a lawyer. Understand your rights, Janae?
All right.
It's just a yes or no, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, so who is this? Is your coworker? You said.
Yeah, my coworker, my best friend.
What's her name?
Deja.
Deja. And y'all both work at the Blake?
Yeah.
Are y'all just on break right now, or?
Finna get ready to go home.
Okay, so y'all just got off of work.
Yeah.
Who drove over here?
Deja drove over here.
In what car? This is her car right here.
Yeah.
You're telling me those ladies came in here and they were just yelling and
Well, yeah, right before you hooked up one of them, they were in here, and I said, "Hey, y'all being too loud," and she just went nuts and said, "You need to leave."
We already had a rough day. A rough day.
Officer Day Rock.
What you mean I was rough? We work with old people.
Okay.
What do you mean okay?
How's it rough?
How?
Yeah, explain to me.
Explain to you. Every 30 minutes, I gotta take 159 to the bathroom. Then we got our charge nurse taking us. Hey, she don't even know our names. Hey. That's how she addresses us. Hey. Like, it's a lot.
I want to go home. You don't have to worry about me no more, please.
all right. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, did we get your name?
Janae.
Okay, so you're involved in a crash that I'm now required to do a crash report on. So you have to identify yourself.
Driver or passenger?
She's the passenger. She's the driver. So
Who was the driver?
her.
All right.
How do you spell Janae?
JH. Why you shaking?
Huh?
Why you shaking?
Because I just fought your friends.
H. Calm down. HANEE.
What's your last name?
I can't take this, please. Please, can I go home?
You gonna tow the car? Or you just let her take it?
Need to find out actually. What's your birthday?
What you gonna do?
Watch out, dude. Watch out. Who? I'm gonna talk to her.
Okay. What's your birthday?
Hey, is it Deja? Ma'am?
Yes.
Can you calm down so I can speak to you? Okay, listen, so you're going to jail? So what do you want to do to your car? You can't leave it parked here. Oh, you want your friend to take it? You want Janae to take it?
Okay. 195 by female.
She said Janae could take it.
We'll see.
So,
Going to see if her license valid and stuff like that.
Yeah, my license valid. In Florida. So what's up?
She's going to jail.
Why?
Whenever I told y'all to stop, y'all are walking away. She physically resisted me trying to put her in handcuffs. She did not report.
you know what? Have an attitude, you're not going to take the car. We'll just tow it.
Attitude.
You do have an attitude.
We're towing. You know what, ma'am? No, that's
You do have an attitude.
We'll tow it. We'll tow it. You can find another way to get home.
Pay for that. I ain't tripping on it.
You can go and find another way you're gonna get home.
She does. It's right there. It's that truck.
Okay.
I ain't tripping that. I'm gonna get her car.
Okay. So you're free to leave, ma'am. You can stop talking to her. You can leave. Okay. Have a nice day.
You have a nice day.
From a constitutional standpoint, this encounter begins as a lawful investigatory detention. A reported hit and run is a jailable offense in every state, and officers responding to a contemporaneous call have reasonable suspicion to temporarily detain individuals who match the description and are observed attempting to leave the area. At this stage, the law allows officers to issue commands to stop, remain on scene, and provide identifying information necessary to investigate the collision. The repeated attempts by both individuals to walk away after being told to stop are legally significant, because once reasonable suspicion is established, a person is not free to leave until the investigation is resolved. As the encounter escalates, the officer's authority transitions from detention toward arrest. When one individual physically pulls away, resists being guided, or interferes with the officer's attempt to control the scene, that conduct independently satisfies the elements of resisting or obstructing an officer, regardless of whether the underlying hit-and-run allegation is later substantiated. Under long-standing Fourth Amendment doctrine, officers are permitted to use physical control, including handcuffing, when a detainee resists or when officer safety and scene control are at issue. The repeated statements by the suspect that the vehicle was not my car do not negate the officer's authority at this stage. Ownership is not the controlling factor. Rather, officers are investigating who was driving and whether a collision occurred. Surveillance cameras, witness statements, and proximity to the vehicle provide articulable grounds to detain all involved parties while that determination is made. Ordering occupants out of the vehicle and temporarily securing them is constitutionally permissible during a crash investigation involving suspected flight. Miranda warnings become relevant only once a person is both in custody and subjected to interrogation. Here, routine questions about identity, employment, who was driving, and what vehicle was involved fall within standard booking and investigatory questions. The partial and informal recitation of rights captured on audio does not itself determine the legality of the arrest. What matters is whether any custodial statements are later used in court. Silence, agitation, or emotional distress do not constitute resistance unless accompanied by physical interference. The decision to arrest one individual while releasing the other reflects prosecutorial discretion exercised in the field. Officers may lawfully separate outcomes based on observed behavior, cooperation, and perceived resistance. The law does not require equal treatment between companions if their conduct differs during the encounter. Likewise, directing one person to leave the scene while arranging vehicle disposition is within officer authority once they determine that person is no longer needed for the investigation. Overall, this incident illustrates how a minor property investigation can lawfully escalate when suspects attempt to leave during a valid detention. The key legal transitions occur at the moment reasonable suspicion attaches, when commands to stop are issued, and when physical resistance is perceived. At each point, constitutional law permits increased control to maintain the investigation and officer safety, independent of whether the original hit-and-run allegation is ultimately proven. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.